Hello all. I fired up the old camera again, the old tried and true. Survived 50 videos, this old camera. So that I can show you how the tablet fits in my dashmod. So once again, there's my dashmod, and tablet slides in there. I have this 10.2 inch on tablet. Let's see if I can do this with one hand to give you a view. So this is of course my replica of the Soundman dashmod system. So it slides up in, slides down into place, just like that on the cable. Then you turn the ignition on. She fires up. There's all my gauges. It's Bluetooth gauges to my Megasquirt system, and it right now I don't have the Bluetooth. Usually there's an antenna plugs in there, but it was my friend's antenna, Chris's. Now that race season's over, I gave him his antenna back, so he's using it. I'll afford my own soon. So I don't have the Bluetooth hooked right now, but generally it is. And I got miles per hour because of GPS. Got all accelerometers and stuff, which is kind of cool. And there's a couple other gauge formats. Pretty neat. So that's Shadowdash for the Megasquirt. And then when you turn the key off, I got my dash set so that when it doesn't have power, it stays on for 15 seconds, and then it just shuts off till I turn the key back on. So it works just like a normal dash. I also put on MSDroid on it, which is open source free software and very programmable. Pretty neat. So I've been running the pair on there. Shadowdash works well. I've been data logging it with it, and then I've been using MSDroid for doing changes on the fly. I'll see if I can balance the camera on here and let's see. Get it back out. See if I can get it back out. There it is. That's my Soundman style dashmod. So thanks, Doug, for your inspiration and all your videos and your ingenuity. That's an excellent way of holding in dashmods. I also glued the little connector into mine so it slips right on the connector, and off we go. Suppose I owe you a royalty or something. How about if I just keep thanking you in my videos and maybe give you suggestions? That's all. I'll be back to the other camera next time. That's my dashmod. Thanks for watching.